Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring the assembly is stable and mates won't jump during motion. Once parts are mated, open the motion study and pick Animation or Basic Motion. Animation gives simpler keyframe control. Make sure timeline units and FPS are set to match your target. 30 FPS is common, and set the total duration. From here, you'll place the playhead where the first keyframe should be. This first step locks a clean baseline, so subsequent moves behave predictably and save time later. Now you animate. Move the playhead to your next desired time, then use Rotate or Translate to position the component where it must be. You must explicitly record each change. Right-click the component and choose Add Key to capture that pose or a mate change. Once several keys exist, open the motion graph and apply easing curves or tweak tangents so motion accelerates and decelerates naturally. Make sure to preview frequently. Adjusting one curve often requires tiny fixes to neighboring keys. Finish by previewing the full sequence at target FPS to verify timing and collisions. If visuals are good, render with Photo View 360 or export animation. Choose your codec and resolution and set anti-aliasing for a clean result. If you see jitter or sudden snaps, make sure the interpolation type is smooth, remove redundant or overlapping keys, and recalc mate limits. Finally, rerun the preview. A stable preview usually means your render will be clean. Adjust quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.